Hi, I'm Joe with WTI, and I just wanted to show you this amazing two products from RAK that are a combo. This is the magnetic wristband, which I have some nails right here, and also the multi-tool, multi-tool little product. I love these two products so much. Check out these videos and see how awesome they work. As you can see, it comes with a great pouch that goes on your belt. And this little hammer tool actually has 12 tools in one. Some of those are a nail claw, wire cutter, a saw, a bottle opener, many things. And this is great for your car, for your house, boat, office, great as a gift. I bet you dads would love this. It's very heavy duty, lightweight though, and it's great. It has safety locks, and it was really easy to use, and like I said, very durable. Now, the magnetic tool accessory contains 10 powerful magnets. This makes our job so much better. This wristband holds screws, nails, bolts, washers, drill bits with ease. And as you can see, it's just been an awesome tool. I know you'll love them. These are two great products that you should have, and that is my point of view.